Little Storyteller.
Leo lived in a sunny little blue house with a bright red roof. He had a very special kite. It wasn't just any kite. It could whisper to the wind and tell it where to go. The kite was rainbow-colored, with a long swishy tail that tickled the clouds. One sunny morning, Leo saw his neighbor, Mrs. Debble, looking sad. Her laundry was hanging on the line, but the air was still and the clothes wouldn't dry. Mrs. Gable, who had kind eyes and wore a purple apron with little yellow flowers, sighed. Leo knew his kite could help. He ran to his kite, held it up high, and whispered, "Little wind, please go and help Mrs. Gable's clothes get dry." The rainbow kite danced in the air, and a gentle breeze began to blow, making the colorful clothes flutter happily on the line. Mrs. Gable smiled, her face as bright as the sun. "Oh, thank you, Leo," she called. Later that day, Leo was flying his kite near the sparkling blue harbor. He saw a little sailboat, its white sail hanging limp. A friendly sailor with a big bushy mustache waved sadly. "The wind has stopped," he called out. "I can't get back to the harbor." Leo knew what to do. He flew his rainbow kite high above the water and whispered, "Dear wind, please help the little sailboat go home." The kite tugged on its string, and a stronger breeze filled the sailboat's sail. Slowly at first, and then faster, the little boat sailed safely back into the harbor. The happy sailor called out, "You're a wonderful boy, Leo, thank you." As the sun began to set, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, Leo sat on a soft patch of green grass, with Mrs. Gable and the friendly sailor. They were all smiling. Leo held his rainbow kite. "It's good to help others," he said. Mrs. Gable gently nodded. "Yes, Leo," she said. "A little kindness, like a little wind, can make a big difference." The sailor added, "And sometimes, the smallest things can have the most amazing power."
Please subscribe. Thank you.